Good morning everyone. So today we will study how can we use AutoSum feature in our mobile. So as you can see my screen, I have application MS Excel, Microsoft MS Excel in my mobile. So first I will click on it. I will click on the plus sign, then I will select this blank worksheet. Now I have this worksheet in my mobile screen. So I will double click on the cell. I will write now random numbers in these cells, number of my choice, whatever I want to write I can write. I'm writing just like the marks. Okay, now in B column I am also writing some numbers. Yes, now I am doing AutoSum feature. I am using AutoSum feature in C1 cell. What I will do, I will go to the formulas, then I will select AutoSum, and then I will select sum. As you know that AutoSum is used to add numbers. Okay, the range which we select, we get the sum of those range. Okay, so first of all I will do the sum. Here you can see the formula equals to sum in parenthesis A1 colon B1. This is my range, and you can see the blue colored border also. When I will click on the tick button, it will give me the result. Yes, here 62. Okay, now what I will do, I will copy paste this formula and I will get the immediate answers of the formula. Okay, what I will do, I will click on it, select this copy button, drag it down and then press on the paste button. Okay, now I'll get the results. Okay, and you can see here when I click on these cells, the cell references are changing. Yes, so now if I want to use other options of the AutoSum feature, what I'll do, I will click on a cell, go to the AutoSum, and then I will use this second option, average. So I will take the average of these two numbers. Okay, I select the range. Here I will click on the right and I will get 31. Now I will click on it, copy it, drag it and paste it. Done. I'll get the average of all these numbers. Now if I want to count in how many cells I have numbers, so I'll use this count feature, count, and I will write equal to. What I will do, I will go to the AutoSum feature, count numbers, and select my range. Okay, it will give me the exact cell numbers. 24. In 24 cells I have numbers. Okay, now I want the maximum value. Maximum equals to, okay, here I can drag it little bit. Now I'll use maximum number feature from AutoSum. I'll select my range. I select it, click on right button, and I got 170. Here is the 170 maximum value. Now I will do minimum function. I'll use minimum function. Minimum equals to, go to this cell, go to down arrow, select minimum, select my range. I will click any cell, drag it. Okay, and I will get the minimum value is 15. Here is the 15 value. So now what I will do, I will do little formatting. I'll go to the home. I will color this cells. Okay, now I will color these also. I'll use different color for this. So I will use green, and these are my AutoSum results, so I will color it in green color. Okay, so these are my values in A and B, and these my outputs. Okay, little bit more formatting, bold, yes, that's it for today. I hope you understood AutoSum feature. Thanks, bye bye.